Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax extension online on Irs.Gov only way. Go to the IRS free file or the Form 4868 e-file tool, pick an approved provider, and follow prompts to complete Form 4868 with your personal details and estimated tax. Sign electronically and submit before the deadline. Save the confirmation number and download a PDF of your submitted form for records. If you owe tax, schedule payment when filing to avoid penalties. Start by selecting an approved e-file provider from the IRS free file list or use the Form 4868 e-file tool directly. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your name, SSN, estimated tax liability, and any payment details. Use the electronic signature option to sign and submit securely. After submission, copy the confirmation number and download the PDF for your files. This simple sequence helps ensure your extension is accepted promptly and securely. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make lunch packing simpler and less messy, which pairs nicely with staying organized for tax time. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab a set if you want. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If you expect to owe taxes, arrange payment when filing the extension to limit interest and penalties. Choose IRS Direct Pay, electronic funds withdrawal, or a debit/credit option provided by the e-file service for immediate processing. Double-check your bank routing, account numbers, and payment amount before authorizing to avoid errors. Keep receipts and confirmation numbers from both the extension filing and the payment for your records and future reference in case questions arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.